So today we're making Reese's. Just so simple. I have my chopped walnuts here, my coconut flakes, which I'll pretty much put on the top of the Reese's. This is my cocoa powder or cacao, 100%. Make sure it says that, unsweetened. And some good old Aunt Jemima's, or really 100% maple syrup, and some peanut butter. This is very simple, and I'm just showing you that it needs to be 100% cacao, and that was dark chocolate, but you can use that or whichever is best for you. And you need 2 1/4 cup of the cocoa powder, and I had already melted my coconut oil. Everything will be in the description. So I'm just pretty much mixing everything up. I did 4 tablespoons, but I probably should have did 6 to make it a little bit sweeter. But you mix. You're gonna pour it into the cups, and then you'll add your peanut butter inside of the cups. And then if you want to, because you don't have to do all of what Reese's does, but for me, I like it easy, and typically I'll just pour the mixture onto the bottom of the cups and then add the peanut butter on top, and then just leave it like that. But for you guys, I decided to do a little bit extra and mix the mixture and kind of brought it up to the sides, and then turned around and put the peanut butter in the inside, freeze it, bring it back, and then I added the peanut butter, and then turned around and add the mixture to top it off. But you don't have to do that. You can really just pour the mixture just how it is right now, put the peanut butter on top, and then put whatever toppings you want to have on top of that. So if you want the coconut flakes, or if you want the what else did I have? The walnuts or the pecans, or whatever your preference is, you can just add that here. Freeze it until it gets hard. That's probably like 5-6 minutes, and then you pretty much bring them out and eat them. It's just that simple. Just a quick little tutorial, but enjoy the rest of the video. Talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Love you guys.
There's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Baby, I like it slow.
I
There